Okay, we're out here looking at a shallow pitch and a shallow pitch roof. It's only 2.75. So these guys just tarred the crap out of this bottom edge for some stupid reason. But we got protrusions that are a problem here too. So this roof really is too shallow for this. But you can see this water's ponding right up here. This is ponded with water. So this is going to find its way through the side of the shingles and come in and be a problem with these skylights. And it's going to find its way underneath all of this work. These are always a real problem. But the majority of everything's leaking right across this whole edge. So whether it's coming further in up the roof and then finding its way underneath all this flashing is one. This thing should have been pre-flashed. We should see a piece of aluminum coming out like 6 inches onto this roof, and it should be coming up about up to this second course of shingles. So there should be aluminum flashing underneath the shingles in the ice shield. Come down, and onto that. And that's what should have been done here. So our only solution is going to be, well, it ain't even going to be a solution, and we couldn't guarantee it. We have to bring up 4 courses of shingles, come up above that ridge, that little roof vent there. We've got a pipe stack that we got to deal with. So we would come up to 4 inches, or the 4 courses, install our aluminum drip cap. We're gonna have to screw around with all this tar now that these guys put in here, and then ice shield it onto that aluminum, and then I would end up putting a roll of black 2-ply system. Actually, that's what I do, is just run 2-ply system and get this up on top, get the shingles on top of the 2-ply system. So run a 36-inch or 30-inch wide bituminous on this thing. And this should be like a 027, thick 027 aluminum metal edge. But we still got the culprits of the skylights. You know, you get this is all just cracking. It's not gonna, this will never seal. These skylights are pretty much shot. The tar, the petroleum in the tar is eating the vinyl of the skylights too. So that's another problem. So yeah, a lot of times we recommend just running a whole flat roof system on these things rather than shingles, because shingles are always a chronic problem. So I go around the rest of the house, because if it's coming in behind the shingles here, it's doing it on the rest of the house where the gutters are. So we got to go over there and make sure. If that fascia board's getting wet, then we got a problem.